you're not yet a member of the Abarth Owners Club, make sure you find us on Facebook and also Instagram at Abarth Owners Club. Oh God, COVID-19. I'm quite over it now, aren't you? Anyways, so I guess there's only one thing to do in this current environment, and that is clean. Now, it probably doesn't look like it, but that car is covered in dust. And don't worry, that's not a scratch, it's just a light shining off it. And this is just dirt, but can you see the colour change there? In here, I've got a wonderful Abarth cleaning mat. So when you're down on here, you can pop your knees down, do your stuff. Over there are my standard rims. I'll show you these. There you go. Ultimate waterless wheel and tyre wash. I've been told by my good friends at Meguiars that this is exactly what I need. This is Meguiars Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax, and that is why the car is looking so good. I haven't done it in a while, but this stuff is amazing. Obviously, if you've got heavily soiled paint, it's no good, but I'll be popping that on as well. Is something that I won't be putting on today. Hybrid ceramic wax, Meguiars again. Very nice. Iron out. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. And everyone, if you don't know what iron out is, it's basically like contaminant remover. Yeah. And then all you do is just spray that on liberally, so quite a lot. And what happens is the wheels will go like red or purple. Hopefully that will happen in this video. Auto-clean bumper and trim for all the black bits. For example, this plastic. The interior cleaner from Auto Finesse, the spray wax that's going to go on at the end, the iron out that's going on first onto the wheels, ceramic wax, not going to use that today, waterless wheel and tyre, that's going on after probably the iron out and then the water, and then the waterless wash and wax which will go on the rest of it. So, let's get going. Yeah. One last thing, I got this from Halford's, alloy wheel brush, and once I've used the iron out on this, I'm just going to give it a good old prod. So, first things first, Auto Finesse, iron out, contaminator remover. What do? Apply liberally, and we wait for it to turn purple. Let's give it a shake. It's hard to do one-handed. Open the seal, here we go. I've opened it. So I'm just literally gonna spray all over the rims. Get a little finger workout. And it smells like absolute egg. You know when you get a really eggy sandwich? Yeah. Not the sweetest of smellings. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you this one wheel. Give that a good old spray. Make sure I've coated everything. And I can see it's already starting to go, right, starting to bleed. See the Brembos. Have I done it all? No doubt I've missed a bit. Come on, I'm not a detailer obviously, but that looks cool. So, a lot of you may be crying right now, but this is all I can do. I've got a car wash. I'm sure there's many of you who are also in the pain, but look at the blood. The car is bleeding. Check out my Instagram, I'm going to be posting that on Instagram. Instagram.com/JAY_7EE. Yeah, I know it's long, I wanted Instagram.com/JT124, but someone's got it. Anyways, let's grab the towel and dry off the heritage pack. So now I'm just literally using, with no effort, the towel to dry off the water. And you can already see it's pretty much perfect. So yeah, looking good. Shout out to James and the Auto Finesse team for always looking after me. Absolutely love Auto Finesse. Auto Finesse and Meguiars are probably the only brands, and obviously Auto Glim, that I use. But yeah, it's really, actually this is working out a lot better than I thought it would. Because I guess it wasn't as dirty because I used the products beforehand. I mean, you can see how leady that wheel is. So I should probably get going on those now. Just make sure we're completely happy with it being dry. Pretty much there. I'm trying to do it in a flicking motion so that it's just all going down, and then that looks great. So I've popped the towel down over there, go down to my Mopar station. Getting filthy now, covered in blood. And yeah, we should probably get agitating with this wheel brush. So I'm not going to show all of them, but I'm going to show you one wheel. Okay, so sit rep, wheels done, well, prepped, I should say. Bonnet dry, wheels are all bled. After the iron out, I've just watered them down and then given them a good old rub. Exhausts are a little bit cleaner. So this is, once again, this is the Meguiars Ultimate Waterless Wheel and Tyre. So, oh, it's a nice mist that's coming out of that. And remember, it's for the wheel and tyre, which makes it really easy. I'm just soaking it. I don't know if I put too much on, but it said liberally. I'm so surprised how well the Brembos have come out. I mean, they just need wiping out and they're good to go. Right. Wow, that is ultra glossy, isn't it? Super glossy. Those Brembos are insane. I love those. Obviously I love my OZs as well. These OZ rims are just spectacular. I'm sure you agree. Well worth it. And actually they may be up for sale soon. Possibly. No promises. So that's it. Right, so wheels are done. That's Ultimate Waterless Wheel and Tyre. Absolutely doing a fantastic trick there. But you tell me, obviously it's not the best, but it looks damn good. That's for sure. Boom. Job. The paintwork. Now, the Wonderful Spider is the tiniest car probably on the road. And this stuff is very good. Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax, no scratch formula. And all you do is exactly like before, you spray it on, but just for you guys, going to show you. So what do? We just twist the nozzle and spray. So I'll start with this panel where you can see the whole outline with the lights. And then go all the way across the bumper. Just a fine mist, it said. Oh, it smells absolutely lovely. Not for use on the plastics, but I'll sort that out in a bit. Okay, so pull it down, let it do its thing, and then get a microfiber wipe. That's fantastic. I can already see the dirt. There's not that much dirt on it, is there? But you can see the dirt is just coming off. And this is the front of the car where it gets obviously a lot of the dirt and grime. I do love the headlights on this car. They're one of my most favourite bits. Just working my way across here and then try and be careful on the wrap. I've managed to get it on there a little bit, but only a little bit. I'm actually going to use another fold, this 4-fold method. That's really good, really impressive. Wow. That is stunning. And now I've just got to do the rest of the car. There she is, guys. All done. Look at the tips as well. I used the Meguiars polish, the metal polish for that. And I'm just gonna flip the camera around. There you have it. She's been finally cleaned. I've just stepped back a bit to turn the lights on. There you go. You can see how good or bad a job I've done. The cleaning products. Again, I haven't done the soft top cleaner yet, but I will do waterless, ultimate Meguiars waterless wheel and tyre for those beautiful OZ Ultra Leggera rims. The iron out, which was the prep to get rid of all the contaminant on the road. Glisten spray wax, that hasn't gone on yet. And then the interior cleaner and the bumper trim gel. But I wanted to show you first what obviously the wheels and brakes look like. And they're completely dry, they just look glossy AF. Over here, the carbon fibre. It's real carbon fibre. This is just after spraying and wiping. I have done the windows as well. It's only good. I'll use some window cleaner on it. Just ordinary window cleaner is fine. One of the best things that I've done today is using the Meguiars metal cleaner. Now, I do like the black exhaust when it's covered in soot, but obviously they're meant to look silver, so I've polished them up. The bumper is looking extremely shiny, very glossy, very glossy. I'll go deep. You can see the metal flake. I mean, YouTube and the camera on this is an iPhone Pro Max, but never really does it justice. But yeah, not bad for a COVID clean. That's what I'm calling it. And then, yeah, I should say, it's all due to this baby. Meguiars Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. Thank you, Meguiars. What do you think, guys? Is it awful? Or have I done an okay COVID clean job? So yeah, what's left to do? Trim, bumper trim, glass, and then the hood. I'm not going to do that in this video because you know how to use bumper trim gel. You literally just shake it up and you put it on your plastics and then it's done. But yeah, here's my kit. I would love to hear what you use, and
you can do that in the comments below. The number one thing that I wanted to say to everyone is obviously stay safe, stay healthy. I'm wishing all of you the absolute best.
Enjoyed this video, you know what to do. That is my COVID cleaned 124 Spider. Thanks very much. Peace.